Hey there, CJ Math students. So you will need a ruler or a straight edge, like the edge of a book, to kind of help you out on today's homework. So please make sure you have that handy. So basically what you're going to do is each of these graphs consists of 4 different problems where you're going to plot points, connect them, so draw the line, and then find the slope of that. So for E, you want to move right 1 and up 2, right 1 up 2, label that with a point E. And then move right 4 and up 4. So right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and label that with a point E. Now take your ruler or straight edge and do your absolute very best to draw a straight line through those 2 points. So kind of like this. And what you want to do is make it go all the way through the graph. So unlike I did there. All right. So it goes exactly through those 2 points and goes all the way through the graphs and has arrows at the end. So you don't just stop and make it a line segment, you make it a line. All right. So now go over to the back side, and your points were 1, 2, and I believe 2, 4, or sorry, 1, 2, and 4, 4. And use the slope formula. So we want to do 4 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. Which gives you 2 over 3, so your slope is 2 over 3. Go to the front, find 2 over 3, and put an E there. And that's one problem done. Let's do a problem like O. Okay, so I'll move this over. So O asks you to move left or right 0 times, then down 1. So point right there, and you can put an O there, and then right 4 times and up 3. Right 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, take your straight edge and draw a straight line right through there, and draw arrows all over it. Oops, and make sure you label that O. Okay, so 0, -1, and 4, 3 for O. So go to the back side of your paper and find O. Happens to be right here, 0, -1, 4, 3. Use the slope formula. 3 minus -1 over 4 minus 0 ends up being 4 over 4, or just 1. All right, so then go to the riddle, find 1, and put an O there. All right, let me do another one for you. Let's do S. S is -2, 4, so move left 2 times, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put an S there. And then 0, -2. So move left or right 0 times, and then move down twice. Put an S right there. And then draw a straight line right through this. I'll draw it in blue so you don't confuse the lines. Using your straight edge all the way through, putting arrows on the end of either line. And -2, 4, 0, -2 are your coordinates. So right here, -2, 4, 0, -2, and we use the slope formula. So 4 minus -2 over -2 minus 0. Notice how I did it differently that time. No big deal, I just made sure to keep in the same order. So plus positive plus negative, you get 6 over -2, which gives you -3. Got to be really careful with your negatives. So you're looking for -3 in the riddle, and you're putting in an S there. All right, I will do one more with you. I will do the second O. So 3, -3, and 4, 1. So 3, -3, move right 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and down 3, 1, 2, 3. That's an O. And then 4, 1. Move right 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. Then again, draw a nice straight line all the way through, probably straighter than I just drew it. And then you're going to find the second O on the back, 3, -3, 4, 1. 3, -3, and 4, 1. And so it's this one right here, 3, -3, 4, 1. And then just use the slope formula. 1 minus -3, 4 minus 3 gives you 4 over 1, which gives you a slope of 4. So write down on slope for 4, and then you find 4, and you're going to put an O there. Right? So I've just done 4 out of the 8 problems. You're responsible for the rest. Please make sure you use a straight edge and call me if you have problems.